Elon Musk, one of the most talked about and controversial figures of our time. But what drives him? Walter Isaacson's new biography dives deep into the mind and life of the man behind Tesla, SpaceX, and so much more. So, this book isn't just a timeline of Musk's accomplishments, it's a raw, unfiltered look at his personality, his vision, and the challenges he faces. So, Isaacson spent 2 years shadowing Musk, giving us an insider's perspective on how he thinks and operates. So, what really stood out to me is how Musk balances or struggles to balance his relentless ambition with his personal relationships. The book doesn't shy away from his flaws, showing how his intensity can be both his greatest strength and his biggest weakness. Now, from creating Tesla's revolutionary electric cars to dreaming of colonizing Mars, Musk is all about thinking big, but the book also reveals the toll this takes on him and those around him. So it's inspiring, but it's also a reminder that success isn't always glamorous. I found Jackson's storytelling engaging and balanced. So whether you are admire Musk or find him polarizing, the book will give you a better understanding of what drives him and why his work matters so much to the future of humanity. So if you are curious about the main shaping our world's future, I highly recommend this book. So you can grab the copy using the link in the description, or you can even listen to it an audiobook for free on Amazon. Currently, it is showing $0.99, but you will get the free audible link down in the description. So it's definitely worth your time. Have you read his biography? And what do you think about Elon Musk's vision for the future? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching this video.